is Aristocrat Legends Deluxe. We got Buffalo, Miss Kitty, and 5 Dragons. I think I'm going to play some Miss Kitty. I haven't done that in a while. Got $100 in here. We're going to do 1 cent Miss Kitty. Game loading. Let's see. Those are the progressives. Max on this is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. I'm going to do $4 bets. That'll be $1 a game, right? Almost. Almost again. Let's do 6. Oh, fishies. Let's see. Oh, only $9 for all those fish? I thought that was going to be way more than that. Just missed it. Just missed another $9. Come on, feature. I want a feature, please. Almost had it. That should count. $6.05, enough for one more. All right, let's try another 100. Continuing on with the $6 bet. Oh my God, did I get the mini? Oh my God, I got the mini. Well, that was fun. I got my money back. All right, you guys are gonna be like, what? But I'm gonna cash out because I got my money. I'm gonna go to a different machine. All right, guys, I'm only filming this because I think this is a first. I'm in the bonus. I missed a full screen, which was awesome. It was like 98 bucks. Betting $2.50 on nickels. But in my free spins, I got a hold and spin plus a retrigger. You can see the folds. I'm on Lightning Dollar Link. And I'm free games 3 of 9 because I got a retrigger in this trigger right here. A little late to the game. $100 in, betting $2.50 a spin. Ooh, I got the mini for 50 bucks. Here in Vegas. About to head over to Resorts World in a little bit to do my live stream. Alright, so we still got 6 more games. Let's see what we got. Just on a $2.50 bet, guys. And already part of the bonus. Like I said, I got 113 already. So this bonus is well over 200 bucks. I still have 6 games left. Two more. Man, the first 3 spins were amazing. They were like full screens. Like I had a full screen of these with the bowls. But now these are all dead spins. Last spin. Oh well. Still a really, really awesome bonus on a $2.50 bet. Almost 100x. This is Corrida del Toro. See if we can get one more. I wish they had a $3.75 bet on Nickel Denom, but they don't. So I think I'm gonna switch to dimes, and I'm gonna just do $5 spins down to 200. And if I lose that, I will walk away a double. Oh man, look at that! Just missed that right there. I only had this guy or this guy. It's all right. I remember the first time I played this, I got double majors, and I didn't even realize why or how I got double majors, because I didn't know you can get it single, double, and triple. So that was a really nice surprise. So it looks like I got 6 more spins unless I get something. Oh, come on. Not quite enough for another spin, so we're going to cash out just over a double up. Alright guys, I actually got it on my very last spin. You can see here I got 73 cents left, betting $5 a spin on dime denom. I have $100 in here. One more! Come on, first row, first row. No, I did say first row, but I meant those two, any of those two. First row, nice. So it looks like I have 2 mansions so far and a retrigger. I need it because I'm on my last 73 cents. Come on, first row, first row. 3 dead spins. Everett, I got 3 dead spins. 3 dead spins. Pretty much 4 dead spins. Man, on my last 73 cents. Did you get any mansions? I got 2. On my very last 73 cents. Come on, Wolfie. Come through for me, please. I would be ecstatic with a major. I'll scream at the top of my lungs if you give me the grand. I promise. I'll make everybody look at me. And I'll pan over and I'll show everybody. Bonus though. Everett, over $200 on my, and I had 73 cents left. That helps. What was yours? Not bad. All right, 255. I'm gonna play this at 200 or 3. So it'll either be a double up or possibly a triple or a quadruple up. Who knows? But if I don't get it in the next 5, 10, 15, 20, right, so 6 spins. Oh, I wish those were tape measures. I guess it can't be the mansion bonus all the time, right? Alright, I got 1 more spin and I'm gonna cash out a double up. Alright, that's fine. Alright guys, I'm just gonna start filming. I met some viewers tonight from Toronto. Brenda eats plants. And she asked me if, oh my goodness, look at that $500 ball. I put $100 in here and I'm doing $5 spins on dollar denom. That bonus would have been amazing if I landed it. But anyway, she came over and said, you know, why aren't you filming? And I thought about it and I was like, I really should be filming, shouldn't I? So here I am, catching it, 2 spins in. Like I said, I have 100 in here. The machines behind me are going crazy on bonuses. I haven't played Dragon Link in forever, so I figured why not? Two more! Oh my god, oh my god. 215! Yay! Yay, and a $50 bowl. That makes me very, very happy because I was like, oh my God, I think I'm on dimes and I got a $100 mini, and little did I remember that I was on dollars. Only thing better would be the minor, but I'm not complaining at all about this beautiful, beautiful mini. I'm not even mad that it's over because that is an amazing bonus. Bum, bum, bum. How you doing? Everything good bonus. How much was it? Sorry guys, Edward's playing behind me and bum bum. He's on Firelink. That was $355. I am not gonna go below 300 because I don't want to give it all back. I want to take a triple up at the very least. That was awesome. Makes me very happy. Everett, is that you? Nice. He's in the bonus. All right, so I got. Oh. Like 10 spins left. Oh, I would have thought I would have gotten the 9s, but I guess the pay lines are a little bit different on Dollar Enom. All right, so I only have 3 more spins, but that's okay. I'm super happy you guys saw me. Well, I have 100 in here. I caught it 2 spins in. 1 more! Oh no! How are you gonna give me 5 in the first? No, I got 5 in the first 2 first 2 rows, and then a whole lot of nothing. All right. Well, you know what? I am super happy about a triple up. Yay! Shout out to Mike, who loves Happy and Prosperous.